Okay. Take two. Take two. Naka-live na ikaw? Naka-live na pala eh. Wow, live na live. I didn't know. Thank you very much for all the people of the world who are watching. This is a very important moments wherein the heavens, the earth, below the earth. Biro ninyo na ibigay ang corona ni Jussie Mulan ng ating pinakamamahal na Encantadia, ng ating mga ninuno mula pa sa China, Majapahit Empire, Raja Kayan, Raja Sulaiman, Jussie Mulan. From the moon, this is a very important crown wherein this is dedicated to the finance, and today I am declaring the demonetization of all the currencies, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world. No more fiat currency. Because today we have the plate, the blue plate of our ancestors in the printing of all the 72 currencies of the world. I am declaring also the release of the quintal money, which has been printed a long time ago. I am calling all the people of the central banks of the Philippine Islands, release the money with our Lolo Aram, Raja Sulaiman. And besides, this is not your time. This is the time of the superpower of the divinity, wherein this is the moment we declare the divine monarchy, at the same time absolute monarchy in all over the global earth. Divine monarchy, global, and all the absolute power and authority. And at the same time, I declare of no election. Defiance will be given justice. You have to listen now. You were not able to capture me. I was able to proceed with faith, hope, and love, because the power and the protection of our forefathers are with us. With the crown of Jussie Mulan that I have gotten for today, together with our Raja Mamay. Thank you, Lolo Aksadam. Thank you of all the Lolos that have been guiding me. With all of this blessing and this very mysterious dress, the shoes that has been given even by the rainbow, I was surprised. And I thank our baby Nino, Queen Everlasting Amor Solo, and the spiritual wonder boy, the spiritual wonder girl, and Lolo Aram, Lolo Akdam, Aksadam, Adradam. This is our time. No more fiat money. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody. Merry lahat, dahil quintal money na po ang lalabas. Hindi ang polymer. Ang polymer, peke. Yan ang aking declaration. Quintal money from our royal family. Printed na po yan. Release it for everyone. For a very good Christmas to everybody. Maraming salamat po. Masalam.